Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Gwyneth, and in today's video I'll be doing this Get Ready With Me graduation edition. I'm graduating college today and it's 6:30 a.m. So let's just get started with the video. So I'm actually going to be doing my hair first, but before that I'm going to be applying this Therapeutics Collagen Hydrogel under eye patches under my eyes while I'm doing my hair for 30 minutes. I like to apply these on special occasions. Setting the timer. So I'm going to be using this Hot Tools curling wand. This is a 1 inch, I believe. So I'm not going to be doing big curls today. I'm going to do like waves in a way. So my layers, like at my hair, guys. I'm going to be using this TRESemme heat protectant first. I haven't even brushed my hair yet, but it's okay. My tangle teaser. Just to add some body, I'm going to be applying this Batiste dry shampoo to my roots. Just so my hair lasts longer, I'm going to be applying this Living Proof Prime Style Extender. I'm just going to be applying this to the ends of my hair. So today I'm going to be using these jumper rollers just to help my waves. I'm going to part my hair down the middle. I'm going to take the crown of my hair, just about 2 to 3 inches. I'm going to be curling this towards my hair just for like 15 seconds. Is that 20 seconds? Okay. I don't want to let that curl cool. I'm going to curl it inside the roller. Then I'm going to pin it in place. Okay, that's the hairstyle. Just kidding. I'm going to take another section by my crown, and I'm going to be doing this away from my face. Now for my front section, I'm going to be dividing it in two. I'm going to be doing it horizontally. Now that I did the front sections, I'm going to be doing the bottom. And then each side is just going to have 2 rollers, so I'm going to split it in 2. Now I'm going to just curl this halfway, just so that there's body in it. I'm going to be keeping these rollers in until I finish my makeup, so there's like a minute left. I'm just going to take them off now. Just going to pat that in. I think I want to go for like a glowy look today. Not sure. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to be using this Nivea Men Post Shave Balm for a primer. My first primer, just so that my makeup lasts all day. Second primer, I'm going to be using this Dr. Brandt Pores No More, just for my T-zone and my pores. Moving on to brows, I'm just going to speed through this. I have a brow tutorial if you want an updated one. I know you guys do want an updated one, so let me know if you guys do want one. I do know you guys want one. But for foundation, I'm going to be mixing this Maybelline SuperStay foundation and the Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless. I'm going to be using this Sunny Kashuk concealer palette in the shade Light to cover up my blemishes. For concealer, I'm going to be using this Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. Now I'm going to be spraying my Beauty Blender with the Fix Plus. To set that, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier setting powder. I was about to say spray. So I actually like to use the Morphe sponge to bake. I'm going to be using the Carly Bible palette. I'm going to mix these 2 shades. I'm going to spray my brush with Fix Plus first. I'm going to use a clean blending brush to buff out the edges. I think I'm going to put the white in the center. I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Lash Sensational in waterproof. Now for lashes, I'm going to be using these Demi Wispies. So I'd like to cut these lashes into 3. It's easier for me, and then it'll go to my lash line closer, if that makes sense. I'm gonna be applying this Kiss strip adhesive onto the back of my hand. I'm gonna wipe away my bake. I'm gonna spray the Sleek Makeup Setting Spray. I'm gonna be contouring my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm gonna be bronzing my face with the NARS Laguna Bronzer. I'm gonna be highlighting with the Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. I'm gonna be using Vacation and Get Laid. For blush, I'm gonna be using the Milani Luminoso as always. Then I'm gonna be using the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be using the shade Kitty Cat. I'm gonna bake under my contour. I'm gonna try this Sephora Perfectionist New Glow. While that bakes, I'm gonna take out my hair. I'm gonna spray my hair with the L'Oreal hairspray. I'm gonna dust away the bake. I'm gonna be trying this Marc Jacobs waterproof eyeliner. I'm just gonna tightline my eyes. I think I'm gonna apply bronzer to my under eyes. So I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll be right back. Alright, I got this dressed from Pretty Little Thing, choker from Pretty Little Thing, and then my shoes are from ShoeLand. I'm gonna be using this Nivea body lotion. And then I'm gonna be applying the Selena Gomez perfume, my favorite perfume. Applying the same highlighter. I'm gonna be using the NYX lip liner in Natural. So I'm gonna try out this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Last thing, set all my makeup with setting spray, the All Nighter. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And I will be putting up a graduation vlog before this video or after the video, so look out for that. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!